updated our new keypad. So this is how to set it up. Bad. Sorry if you guys can hear my background audio. It's just don't worry about it. All right. So you're gonna import the keypad. So same model and everything. Credits on the back, so you actually know who made it. All right. Stopped things and made it. All right. He just made a tutorial on the old model, but this new one. All right. So this one actually has audio, so you can actually change collision tags, whatever you want. It's now a list. I have 10 seconds. So you can now set a password and it automatically makes them max amount depending on how long your code is typed. So if you want 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, doesn't matter. But I'm gonna keep it at 0 right now for testing or show you right now. And also go yeah, show you. I'm gonna teach you guys how to the audio. So yeah, and your sounds to what you want for the correct, deny, anything like that. And now I have to at 0, 0, and go. I don't think you guys could hear it, but it did play the audio. So yeah, if you don't hear it, it did play the audio. Yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I have